Is Ivan's one of his favorite pastimes. He loves to buckle and unbuckle. Well, he loves to buckle. He can't really unbuckle. But look at that. That face
What's
is
nice
very
about
intense.
Yeah, is that it shows some concentrating on something.
I'm gonna sit under here so I can get some face. Oh, there we go. Better side. And there's a very intense face, doing some very intense buckling. Gotta help him out. There. There's my guy. Just buckling. It's fun for toddlers. Look at him go. He's very good at it. Sometimes he can't do it right away and he gets very frustrated. Look at that beautiful face.
Actually, he's pretty good at being persistent on this.
Hi, cutie. He is. He is. He gets less frustrated because he knows he can do it, I think.
Yeah.
That's my guy. Cute, sweet. Do it again? Yeah. Ivan did it. Alright, that's enough.